I see that people don't understand YouTube new policy and they are scared that their channel will get demonetized or they will not be eligible for monetization. So this video I'm going to be telling you those faceless channel that meet eligibility and that would be accepted into the YPP. So do not fret, just pay attention and keep doing what you are doing. And if you are not among these people, just know that you need to just tweak some things to be among. So number one on the list is DIY and craft. And the key element for eligibility for this channel is original how to do videos with your own voiceover and narration, not template compilation. So you have to make sure that, okay, this is what I'm doing. This is what my channel is about. Are these videos mine? Yes, they are. Tick, you've passed. Are the voices mine? Tick, you've passed. So you understand what I'm saying? So the next one is storytelling animated fact. This storytelling can also be African folktale channel. It can be any channel that tells storytelling, or all these animation channels. So the key element for this channel is scripted, animated narrative, adding insight, emotion, or commentary. So it's not just you putting the video. It's either you're making a voiceover, you're not just putting the images or even the animated video. You're making commentary to what you have uploaded. Um, you're adding your own insights. This is to also tell you that it might not necessarily be your own template or your own, images that you're uploading. But the fact that you're adding commentary, you're adding your insights, you are adding your own narrative makes it yours. And the way you do it, you have to make sure that um 50-50. It's not just the video showing, it is also you making commentary, not like by the side. You have to like take mic and talk about what we've just watched, and don't make that video overshadow you, because you yourself, you are the content. It is you making insight, you making a narrative, or you making a commentary that is making that video yours. And that's for videos that are not yours. Maybe the images are not yours, maybe they're from an AI app or something. But if it's for you, what you just need to do is voiceover. I think voiceover is perfect. That's number two. Number three is gaming and tutorials. So there is walkthrough, there is review, there is strategy videos with voiceover and personal input. So even if the tutorial is your video, you are making your own input. You are giving your own, review. There's a walkthrough. Oh, this is how you do it. For gaming videos, you typically just see them play the game, you get? But if you want it to be yours, because you have to realize that the game is not yours. So if you want it to be yours, you have to like make a commentary. As I think I've even realized people playing mime game and they are making commentary at the background. It will look like a voiceover, but they're actually discussing about the game or something. So there's like a walkthrough. Oh, this is how you do it. This is how you play it. Not just a video of the game playing. It is not your content. You give a review. Oh, this is what I feel about this game. So so and so, or a voiceover. You get what I'm saying? So for ASMR relaxation video, you have unique audio visual combo, e.g., cooking ASMR ambience loop, not generic playlist. So it has to be unique. It has to be something that you are not uploading every time. It is your video, you're uploading it one off. You're not, all this template or all this stock image that you want to be uploading almost every time. I see some channel like that. There's a particular stock image they use and then they use their voice. No, you have to change it. You have to make it yours. It's either you are talking, you are showing them something, audio, visual, combo. Mix it. Don't just do audio, don't just do visual. Mix it. Just make it very unique to you. That is how you can, be eligible for monetization. The next one is cooking recipe visual. That's faceless cooking with step-by-step voiceover and sensory editing. That is what you can do to make that video yours. Because there are some cooking videos that are not your own. You have to make sure you are showing the step by step on how to make it, and all the sound that they put when you're editing videos to make it sound, appealing to the ear. And mind you, this is for channel that upload their own content or someone's content. For your own content, it is not typically yours in the sense that you went to an app to generate image. Let's say for African folktale, like I'm used to generate image. That image Yes, you are the one that created it, but it is not your own, it is still AI. Now, to now make it eligible, what do? You put a voiceover that is yours. Don't put AI voiceover to your own to make it human like. So that is how you can make it yours. Now, if you are a faceless channel, you are making those videos, cooking videos like this, and you're just uploading the cooking video, you might be flagged or not even be allowed into the YPP. So what you can do is to make sure you are showing step by step process with a voiceover. Oh, this is how I make this meal. You make it this way, you make it that way, and make the editing also nice. This is to show effort because YouTube does not also like low effort video. Low effort video is you just posting something, no edit, no commentary, nothing, nothing. You're just posting. Like people will just be watching. There's no audio for them. People YouTube want their platform to be, entertaining and at the same time educating. Do you get what I'm saying? The next one is meditation, relaxing music, voice guided or custom track video offering a clear original narrative. If you search for some meditation video, you see that it's just be like rain sound all through for 1 hour or something. I don't know what else they do, but I know of rain sound. That video alone can be flagged for demonetization or you not be allowed into the YPP. What you can do is voice guided or custom track. The track that is making people sleep is your own. It's not like you went to one app and generate that rain sound. You are the owner of that rain sound. Nobody can come and claim right to it. Or voice guided is a voice that is talking. There's some soothing voice that can make people sleep or that can make people meditate. That custom voice, that voice guided is yours. The track is yours. The next one and the last one is visual book reviews, historical fact. I watch this sometimes and you see them using, caricature images to explain, historical facts and make it fun. That one actually makes sense because you are the one that animated it, you are the one that created it, and the voiceover is your voice. Perfect. But if you are just putting stock images of histories, you can get that on Google, and then you put everything together, and then maybe AI is talking about the narration or the history, that one can be flagged for demonetization because the images are not yours, it's from Google, and the voice is even AI. It's not showing, oh, you really put effort. It's showing low effort. So the way you can make it is summaries or analysis over animation or stock visuals with authentic insight. That means instead of AI, if you want to use Google photo for to show the actual image, make it your voice. You can see that majority of this is saying make it your voice, make it your voice, because that shows originality, that shows authenticity. Do you get? So make sure your analysis and summary of those animation or the images, they are yours and they are yours. So you should also make sure that you are giving authentic insight. That means you're not just saying rubbish, you're saying the fact and you're giving sources or something just to show that okay, oh, I knew that these things are not mine, but now I'm using my voice and I'm giving the sources from where I got it from and I'm speaking the actual fact. You get what I'm saying? So these are the faceless channel that will be eligible for monetization. If you are doing something other than this, just look at your channel and look at what you can do to better it. That's just it. If you want to always stay eligible for monetization, have this at the back of your mind. Always add personal voiceover or animation narrative. I've explained that already. The next one is explain, analyze, or contextualize reuse content. Meaning, if you want to post someone's content that is not yours, make sure you are explaining what the video is about. You're not just leaving it, like I said. You are analyzing the video. Maybe you've just played like 1 minute. The next 2 minutes should be you analyzing that 1 minute. Do you get what I'm saying? Another one is make sure those contents you are making edits, you're making good edits, you're not leaving it as it is. Make it yours. Do you get? The next one is vary format and theme rather than repeating one style. There's a channel that I know of that was auditing and I was like, oh, I noticed that you're using the same stock image for like 3 to 4, 5 videos. You shouldn't do that. Apart from it not even be pleasing to your audience, YouTube will see it as stock image or as bot or as, oh, what's going on? You're not supposed to do this. You are repeating a content. And it's mostly happen for Faceless channel that maybe they are making a voiceover, their own voiceover, and they just say, okay, the main thing is the voiceover. I just need to put any image. And they just say, oh, let me use the same image. No, you don't do that. Use another image. So far is another video. The next one is disclose AI use. Transparency count if used. Oh, you use AI, toggle on your altered content. It does not even have to be you altering maybe a celebrity face or a celebrity voice or something. So far as AI, just toggle it on. Or maybe in the caption you can put, oh, image generated from Bing AI or voices generated from so and so or this thing, this just source it out. Putting down your source is not going to disturb you in any way. It is just going to help you. So don't shy away from it. The last but not the least is review top performing videos for audience engagement diversity. Meaning, if you notice that a video is doing well, check that video. What did you do in that video? How did you do it? How can you make it better for your next audience or to be able to create similar videos, not the same, similar videos that will drive engagement. That's why you see people always making similar content to one of their viral content. It is good. So far you are doing it the right way. So that is all. I hope I've been able to make you understand what you need to focus on, the channel that are eligible, and how you can better your channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you get to this point, do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to get notified when next I post any new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.